Hey y'all, Nova J Beauty here. To make your DIY brightening oil, you'll need your dried citrus peels, an oil of your choice. I'm using avocado today. You can use whatever oil you like except for coconut if you're planning on using this on your face. I have some bergamot essential oil, sweet orange essential oil, and lemon essential oil. You will also need a jar to store your oil in. Now let's get started. First, we're going to be taking our peels and we're just going to place them into the jar. If you aren't subscribed at this point, make sure you hit that button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Now, once we get this brand new bottle of oil open, we're going to pour enough to cover all of the peels. I chose avocado oil today for its moisturizing properties. It also has a high level of vitamin C and beta carotene, which helps with the brightening of the skin. It also has antimicrobial properties, which can help with fighting acne. Now a few drops of sweet orange essential oil. Oranges are high in vitamin C, which helps with skin lightening, and it absorbs oil and dirt from the skin. Now it was at this point that I realized I ran out of my favorite oil. Talk about the disappointment. But it's alright, we're going to move right along with our lemon. Lemon also has a high amount of vitamin C and helps to reduce excess oil on the skin. And just a tiny bit of bergamot essential oil. This also helps with fighting acne, but I only want to add a few drops because it has a very strong scent. I decided to substitute that orange that was missing with some tangerine essential oil. Tangerine is also good at treating dark spots, acne, and stretch marks, and it's known as the calming essential oil, so this can even relieve your stress. Alright, so then you're going to place your oil on a double boiler for about 2 hours to infuse. After 2 hours, your house should be filled with a lovely aroma. My daughter said it smelled like lemon cookies. So then you're going to turn the pot off and let your oil cool. And once it's cooled down, you're going to put it in the cabinet for at least 3 days to finish infusing. So now it's been about 3 days and we have our oil. It's turned a nice dark orange color. And I'm just going to place some in this dropper bottle to make it easier to use. You guys can use a funnel for this if you have one. And I'm just placing the rest back into my jar, and that can continue to infuse to become stronger and more potent. This oil can be used anywhere that you have trouble with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne, or stretch marks. When used regularly, you will see a visible difference in all of your trouble areas. You'll have a noticeable, more even, brighter skin tone and softer skin. Try this out, guys, and let me know how it works for you. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my amazing DIY beauty recipes like this one.